Probably the best tip that I can give you to prevent thousands of dollars in repairs on your commercial HVAC system is preventive maintenance. The main cause of commercial air conditionings that are getting used a lot and abused a lot is that people aren't doing the preventive maintenance, checking the filters, changing the filters, cleaning the drain lines, checking the belts, making sure that it's working properly and it's not dirty or needs some part replaced on it. You should at least change your filters up to 4 times a year, and you should have your system serviced at least twice a year. Commercial might need more. We can come out and give you a free in-home AC replacement estimate. We can come out and give you a free commercial HVAC replacement estimate, or we can come out and give you a free preventive maintenance commercial estimate.
Munson AC.